My dear friends, welcome back to Vanita's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a delicious and wholesome mixed vegetable dish, vegetable stir fry or sauteed vegetables. Firstly, we have to prepare a sauce. For this, in a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and some amount of water, and combine this well without any kinds of lumps. And set this sauce aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a wide pan. Add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds and stir it for 30 seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon of grated or chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of grated garlic and stir it for 30 seconds. Now add 1 thinly sliced onions to it and required amount of salt and give it a good mix for 1 minute. Always use bright and mixed colored vegetables for this kind of recipe. I am adding some cauliflower, beans, carrots. I am adding the veggies in the order which takes a longer time to cook and denser than others. Stir the vegetables in a high heat for 1 minute. Generally, stir fries are very easy and fast to make because it's all about assembling, getting things sliced up, chopped up and bits kind of ready. Now lower the flame to medium and cover the pan and let this cook for about 1 minute. Now I am adding 4 to 5 broccoli florets, 3 to 4 slit green chilies, cubed red and yellow capsicums, and saute this for a minute in a medium flame. Actually, if you don't like green chilies to be added, you can skip it. Always add the vegetables which takes very less time to cook in the mid so that it remains crunchy and not being overcooked. Stir it until they are slightly cooked and crunchy. Now add the sauce we have prepared earlier and stir everything well to combine all the flavors. Actually, this sauce adds moisture and flavor to the vegetables and gives a good coating to the veggies. This stir frying should not take more than 8 to 10 minutes because you want the veggies to retain its crunchiness. Sesame seeds are a good source of vitamins and they helps to lower cholesterol. When it is sprinkled, it enhances the crunchiness because of its texture and nutty flavor. Switch off the flame and garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and sprinkle some pepper at the end to enrich its flavor. That's it, the delicious and wholesome vegetable stir fry or sauteed vegetables is ready to serve. Please try this healthy recipe at your home. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to Vanita's Kitchen for more interesting recipes. Life is all about caring and sharing. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and bye-bye.